Manchester United versus Rosenborg 5-0. Let's go. Guys, 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 guys. So, I know I'm a little bit late in my reaction when we only played on Friday, right? But I had to make a video to speak about this. And I don't want to gaslight of you people, of you fans. Um, I'm gonna go into detail. I'm gonna go into detail why I'm saying this. I'm gonna explain to you guys why I'm saying this. But I think 21 is coming. I personally think 21 is coming, and I'm gonna tell you why. Preseason is a manager's lab. That is where he uh, tries new tactics, formations, etc. Right, and also build chemistry amongst the players. Um, guys, guys, last season and the season before, Joshua Zirkzee faded away. He faded away in every game. And to be honest, I was a part of that people. I'm speaking amongst the fan base that called for us to get rid of Joshua Zirkzee. I always did like him. I'm not gonna lie to you. I always did like him before we signed him and when we signed him. I liked him because I know what type of player he is, and the football Ruben Amorim was playing and um, Erik ten Hag didn't really suit his style of play. But anyway, guys, Michael Carrick is doing something to this players. Oh fuck. Yo, he could think about it. He could genuinely be the one. He could be the one that will win us trophies every season. I shit you not. And I'm gonna explain why I make these claims, right? The way our first team grew into the game, we didn't start off strong. We grew into the game. However, the way we went into the game, you could see, and with Joshua Zirkzee dropping into the 10 and everything is just linking. Oh, fuck. It was so beautiful football. It was nice. And to top it off, what put the cherry on top of the cake is our youth players. Oh, you fucking insane. They even outscored our first team players. They scored three goals in the short period of time they all came on. Guys, we're on to something here. Look, you guys are obviously entitled, and everyone is entitled to their own opinion. You can drop yours in the comment section. Repost this video, please. It needs to reach people. People need to see this and hear this. 21 is coming. And I'm not saying it's coming this season, but 21 is coming, guys. Anyway, give me your opinion on this game. I'm super happy. A lot of positives. A lot of positives. And Michael, yo, he's silencing these Owens, eh? That talk a lot of cack. He's silencing.